Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to jump into a really cool musical adventure? Awesome, because today we're taking our very first step to making sense of music theory. And trust me, we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. Okay, first things first, let's talk about those two big words, music theory. Now, for a lot of people, they can sound, a little scary. And let's be real, maybe even a little bit boring. Be honest with me for a second. Have you ever heard someone say music theory and you just feel your brain kind of click and switch off? Maybe your head starts buzzing with all these thoughts like, is this thing only for some super serious piano professor? Or maybe, do I need to know all the big English words to get this? And, my personal favorite, make I just play by ear a beg? Well, if any of that sounds familiar, I want you to know something really important. You are so not alone. Seriously, so many of us have felt that way. But the good news is, today, right now, we are going to fix that mindset together. So here's the secret. The problem isn't you. Not at all. There's a totally different reason why music theory can feel so confusing. It's time we called out the real enemy of fun learning. You see, music theory itself, that happy little music note, it's not the bad guy here. Nope. The real problem, the actual villain of the story, is usually just bad teaching. The kind that makes really simple things feel way too complicated and super boring. To make this super clear, I've got a really fun way for you to think about it. We're going to take a quick imaginary drive through Lagos. Okay, so picture this. You're trying to get around in Lagos, but you don't have a map and you don't know any of the roads. You've got Danfo buses everywhere, people zipping past. Man, every single junction feels totally confusing. Where do you even turn? The Danfo drivers are stressing you out. You're hearing horns from every direction. You're definitely moving, sure, but you are not in control. Not one bit. And that is exactly what it feels like to make music without knowing the patterns. You're making sounds, yeah, but you don't really know why they work. But then, imagine someone gives you a map. They explain the roundabouts, the traffic lights, all the best shortcuts. Suddenly, once you understand the system, everything just starts to make sense. You can drive with confidence, knowing exactly where you're going. And that feeling of confidence, that's exactly what music theory gives you. It's not some scary rule book designed to hold you back. Think of it as your own personal musical GPS. So here it is, the most important thing to remember. Music theory does not kill your creativity. Not at all. It actually gives your creativity a map. It helps you organize all those amazing musical ideas in your head so you can turn them into incredible songs. You know what? Let's not just talk about it. Let's actually do it. Our musical journey starts right now, and the best part is, we're going to do it all together. That's right. You, me, and everyone else following along, we're a team now, and we are officially starting this journey together, right here, right now. No one gets left behind. And our journey is going to be super simple. We'll start with the very basics, then we'll move on to the fundamentals, and the whole time, I promise, you're going to get clear explanations every single step of the way. No pressure, no confusion, just fun, simple learning. So I'll leave you with this one last thought. If you stick with this, I promise you, music will start to make real, exciting sense. You'll begin to see the patterns, hear the connections, and feel more creative than ever before. So, are you ready to unlock all that amazing music inside you?